Hey students, let's solve one previous question of algorithm. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 1 question number 8. Let G be any undirected graph with positive edge weight and T be minimum spanning tree of G. For any two vertices U and V, let D1 UV and D2 UV be the shortest distance between U and V in G and T respectively. Which one of the option is correct for all possible G, T, U, V? And 4 options are given. We need to find relation between D1 UV and D2 UV. D1 UV is the distance between U and V in graph G, whereas D2 UV is distance between U and V in minimum spanning tree T. Here distance between UV in graph can be shortest than distance between UV in tree. So answer will be option B. D1 UV less than equals to D2 UV. Let's take an example that you can understand. Let this is a graph. Here this is UV, UW2, WV4 and UV5. Now in graph G, shortest distance between UV is 5. We'll draw the spanning tree for this. We'll choose the minimum weight. We'll choose 2 and 4. We'll use UW and VW edges in the minimum spanning tree. Now distance between U and V will be 2 plus 4, it is 6. In the graph, distance is 5, whereas in the spanning tree, distance is 6. Actually, minimum spanning tree used for finding minimum total weight. It's not finding the shortest distance between any particular vertices. Hence, in graph, we might find shortest distance between two vertices than the minimum spanning tree. Hence, answer will be option B. D1 UV less than equals to D2 UV. Distance between two vertices in graph may be smaller than distance between two vertices in the minimum spanning tree. I already discussed minimum spanning tree. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.